hopefully you can hear me. I am here with my daughter and grandkids today. I'm doing yoga in the park. Can you guys do yoga with me?
Like that.
Can you do it? Oh, Desmond's being brave. He's doing yoga with me. Okay, now I'm going to do palm tree pose where your fingers are laced. And you put your fingers up like this over your head. Can you do it with me?
I cannot do that.
You breathe into the lower part of your lungs so your belly comes out. And then when you breathe in, you breathe to your spine, and that gives you core strength. My goal is to do 4 breaths while in a pose, and my camera is quite high up, so I don't know if you can see me do goddess pose, so your feet are way wide, and then I gotta be able to talk, and then your hands are
Who wants to learn how to catch animals?
Are you trapping?
Huh?
Are you trapping them?
When we bring them to our house, we have like 1,000 animals. We take care of
So
them.
you're capturing them. Okay, so that is goddess pose, and now I will do tree pose.
I'm coming from the park today.
Okay, I almost make 4 breaths. Very wobbly tree pose. And then I'll do warrior pose today. So lunging forward and then front arm out, arms level. You want to come do it with me? Over here. Okay, I'm going to switch and put my other foot forward. Same arm forward that is forward, and same arm backward that is foot is backward, if that makes any sense at all. In down to the lower part of your belly, making your belly come out. And then when you breathe in, tuck your belly button back towards your spine. Like you're sucking in your tummy, but you're blowing your air out. And that helps you really strong, like a warrior. Thank you, Marley.
What's that?
You see, find a sticker?
Move it out. Move it out, the big boy.
So I'm going to count it out. I did mountain pose, I did palm tree pose, I did goddess pose, and then I did tree pose on both sides and warrior pose, which makes 5. Have a great day, everyone, and enjoy life. You guys want to say hi? There's Bradley and Marley. And Duz was in the photo earlier, and Aries is in her car seat with over by Mama.